Exploring the wonderful life of the Andean cat in Peru. Hello everyone. Today we will delve into the intriguing world of the Andean cat in Peru, a fascinating species that has captured the hearts of nature lovers and wildlife defenders. The Andean cat, also known as Leopardus jacobita, is a jewel of Peruvian biodiversity. Its main habitat is in the majestic Andean mountains. Impossible not to notice its dense fur and unique patterns. This small feline has evolved to face the challenging altitudes of the Andes with adaptation that make it a master of its environment. The Andean cat is a tree high altitude inhabited, being found mainly between 3,000 and 5,000 meters above sea level. Its home encompasses the mountainous regions of Peru, where it camouflages itself among the rocks and enjoys unique wildlife. However, this species face challenges, habitat loss and habitat loss due to human expansion and poaching has put the Andean cat in a vulnerable position. Beyond its ecological role, the Andean cat has left its mark to Peruvian culture. In Andean mythology, it's often considered a symbol of protection and connection to the spiritual, a link between nature and local belief. Fraternity various conservation efforts were underway. Nature reserves, educational programs, and measures to combat poaching seek to protect the under can it preserve its vital role in the ecosystem. Scientific research is key to beat understanding these place. Studies on their behavior, feeding habits, and reproduction are the essential perspectives for their conservation. Collaboration at the international level also play a vital role. Cooperation between scientists, conservation, and government help share knowledge and resolve their strengthening effort to protect the undercut. The undercut as a natural predator play a essential role in the balance of the Andean ecosystem. Their preservation is not only essential for their or special but also for the overall health and diversity of wildlife.
in the region. In conclusion, the andino cat is a natural treasure that deserves our attention and care. By understanding its importance and getting involved in its conservation, we contribute to keeping the rich biodiversity of the Peruvian Andes alive for future generations. Appreciate your time and attention. Bueno, profesor, eso es todo sobre el gato andino.